Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito po yung reading ko para sa mga Virgo. This is for January to February 2021. Love reading. Paalala lang, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So kunin mo lang yung mga messages na makaka-resonate sa'yo. Okay? And also, pwede magkapalit-palit yung roles dito. Depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. Okay? So bahala ka na ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. If you're a cross-watcher, pwedeng maging ikaw ito at hindi si Virgo. Okay? And if you're Virgo, pwedeng maging ito yung person mo at hindi ikaw. So, bahala ka nang ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon, depende sa'yo. Okay? We have your photograph and Ace of Swords, Six of Swords, Four of Cups. So, that is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So, ang nakukuha ko dito is that I see determination dito. Determination. I feel like, um, you know, this is your person's energy, pero pwede rin maging energy mo. Pero I see a full determination dito. Like, pero ngayon, like yung thoughts, nandun. Alam na yung gagawin, gustong gawin, and trying to move on. Like, looking at your photos, there's this feeling na yung person na ito is like, ang dami niya panghihinayang eh. And there are times na sobrang sumasakit na yung ulo niya kakaisip. Or kung hindi man dumadating sa point na yon, it feels like parang, ano lang eh, kumbaga, isip ng isip itong person na ito, how to move forward, how to, parang get back. Nandun na yung energy na parang gusto niyang bumalik. Gusto niyang, kaya lang andun yung determination. Like, I know what to do. Alam ko na, sabi niya ganun. And I have to do something. Ang problema lang sa kanya, may mga bagay siyang kailangan gawin, parang ganon. Or kailangan trabahuin. Like, maaaring may kinalaman ito sa sarili niya. Like, sobrang hindi okay itong person na ito ngayon. Especially looking at your photos, looking at your videos, your stories, and nalalaman niya na parang doon niya nare-realize yung kung ano yung nawala sa kanya. Kung ano yung wala sa kanya. Hindi ko masabing nawala eh, kasi parang never naman na naging kanya. Pero, nandun yung emotion na parang, hindi na pa sa kanya. Okay? And this person is trying to move on from the pain. Kasi nandito siya sa alam niya yung dapat niyang gawin. Okay? So, I don't know, if you're connecting with the past, possible na hindi mo ito naging karelasyon ever. Pwedeng ganon. This is someone from the past, or pwedeng kasama mo ngayon, or pwedeng, hindi kasama mo ngayon, I mean, kakonect mo ngayon, or if not, pwedeng from your past life. Merong energy dito na this is someone na kakilala mo na. Kung hindi man ngayon, nung nakaraang buhay mo. Ganon. Pero walang naging relationship at all. We have here kisses, Six of Pentacles, Temperance, Knight of Wands, so that is Aries, Leo, Sag, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. I feel like you're being bold. Like, you're just having fun. Okay? And you're looking so beautiful. Maaaring you're concentrating on yourself. Hindi man physical dun sa emotion mo or sa spiritual mo, mas nagko-concentrate ka dun. Like, yung focus mo dito is about money, travel, ganyan. And there's a lot of fun here. You're having fun. You're waiting. Yes, nakukuha ko yung energy na someone here is waiting. Pero andun yung, wala akong nararamdaman na pain dito sa energy mo. Like, you're already happy. You're in love. There's full of love there dito sa energy mo. Pero maaaring with the Six of Pentacles, you're trying to grow. Okay? And maaaring kung ano man yung mga emotion or mga hindi magagandang energy dito or yung mga hindi magagandang nakaraan, hindi mo na kumbaga parang hindi mo muna hinaharap sa ngayon. Kumbaga nasa likod mo lang or it doesn't matter now. Kumbaga kung may focus ka dito, maaaring nasa sarili mo. Unconditional love, ibinibigay mo ngayon sa sarili mo. There's a lot of love here. Pero maaari ngayon, the focus is nasa sarili mo. Okay? I see someone na merong long hair dito. You might be concentrated on your hair sa pagpapaganda ng hair mo. It doesn't matter. Kumbaga, hindi importante kung hindi ikaw yung taong may mahabang buhok ha. Ang nakukuha ko lang dyan is nagko-concentrate ka sa sarili mo. And we have here King of Wands, the World. Bago tayo pumunta dito, ito muna palang middle cards dito. You have your engagement ring, soulmates, and the butterfly. So you might be dealing with your soulmate. There's a connection, there's partnership na nakikita ko dito. And we have here the butterfly. I mean, nag-i-improve. Okay? So, if you are feeling down right now, kung ito yung energy mo dito, kung alam mong ikaw itong feeling down, trying to move on, alam mo na yung dapat mong gawin, there's involvement parang evolving stage ito eh. Kumbaga, between the connection sa inyong dalawa, nakikita ko ito nag-e-evolve. Although, nandito sa side na ito, parang sobrang down at hindi okay. Nag-i-evolve pa rin. Medyo magulo yung part na yon. Like, maraming may ibig sabihin. Like, maaaring kung hindi ka okay ngayon, hindi nagiging okay yung connection nyo ngayon, nakukuha ko pa rin na parte ito ng path nyo na dapat yung i-take. Parte ito ng tamang lakarin. Kumbaga sa connection between the two of you. Hindi okay itong side na ito, but then nasa tamang daan siya. Like, dapat lang na maraanan niya yan in order for him or her to realize a lot of things or para mag-grow. So there's a lot of growing dito sa side nyo. I mean sa side na ito. Lalo na kung marami siyang nalalaman or marami siyang naiintindi na ngayon. Kumbaga, yung energy kasi is not enough eh. Parang feeling niya hindi ako enough. Hindi ako okay. Kumbaga, wala ako ngayon. Yun yung energy niya. And then the other person is so rich. Yung energy dito. I have everything, parang ganun. So you might be dealing with the langit ka lupa ako energy. Yung parang the other one is full of, sabihin na nating blessings or punong-puno ng ngayon sobrang rich yung energy, and the other one is parang walang-wala. And yun, sobrang down niya. Especially looking at your photos. And we have your engagement ring. So there's partnership. If you're asking for union, possible mangyari, pero hindi pa sa ngayon. Hindi pa sa ngayon. Okay? Pero yung union is, it will happen. Okay? So, ang nakukuha kong energy itong sa person na ito, with the engagement ring, I'm seeing you like a diamond. Like, para sa person na ito, you are a diamond. Sobrang halaga mo, sobrang precious mo, you're so special para sa kanya. Pero as of now, hindi niya makuha eh. Nahihirapan siya. Pero alam niya yung dapat niyang gawin. Okay? To have you. Alam niya. Pero sa ngayon, hanggang tingin lang siya. And we have here, King of Wands and the World. I don't know. You might be dealing with someone dito na medyo proud looking. Medyo may angas. Medyo iba yung dating eh. Sa pagkakakita mo sa kanya, you see him as this King of Wands. Like, ang tingin mo is that determined person, etong taong to. Like, wala ka nakikitang flaws dito sa kanya. Wala ka nakikitang hindi maganda. Although hindi maganda, nakikita mo pa rin yan as someone na parang, oh, okay lang, parang ganon. Gusto mo yon sa kung ano siya. Yun yung nakukuha kong energy dito. And you see this person, parang yung energy is that akala mo wala siyang pakialam. But this person is really looking at you. Hindi nga lang niya pinapakita. Hindi mo nga lang nalalaman. So you might be dealing with another Virgo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Yeah, this person is really thinking of you. Like, tinatry niyang isolve ang problem eh. Maaaring meron siya mga problems now and kaya siya nagiging closed or hindi nagiging open sa'yo is because focus siya dun sa mga problems niya. Like, I have to do something. Alam niya na kung anong gagawin niya talaga. Determinado na siya dun. And nandito siya sa stage na medyo nahihirapan siya dahil kailangan niyang isolve muna yung mga problema niya. Okay? Pero the more na nagfo-focus siya sa sarili niya, the more na nag-i-improve yung situation dito sa side niya. Okay. Time will come, this person will, nakukuha ko yung energy na pupuntahan ka niya. Nagawa siya ng action to have you. To see you. To see you man lang. And we have here the Tower and the Sun. This is your energy. Like, you're having fun. Yes. Being alive. Living the moment. So, yun yung energy mo. You're having fun. So much, positivity dito sa side mo. But I don't feel good about this. We have here the Tower. Kailangan mo pa rin harapin yung there's an ending here in your situation. And I feel like kailangan mo pa rin harapin ito. Or kailangan mo pa rin gawa ng action ito. Kung hindi man, dadating itong time na ito and you have to face it. At kailangan pag hinarap mo siya, buong buo ka. Okay lang if you're improving yourself ngayon. Kung nandyan ka sa stage na nagpapakasaya ka, you're having fun, you're loving yourself. Yun yung energy mo. Tama yan kasi when the right time comes na dumating na itong Tower moment dito, at least you're ready. At least you're ready. Okay? Minahal mo yung sarili mo ng fully. Inaccept mo yung sarili mo fully. And naging masaya ka sa sarili mo. Natanggap mo at yung whole, parang ganon. And when the time comes na this Tower happen, ayun na, you're ready. So, okay lang yun. And we have here the Hierophant, 5 of Cups, the Judgment. I feel like there's a lot of regrets dito na nangyayari. Ang daming regrets. For some of you, you really feel or you already knew that you're dealing with your soulmate or twin flame connection. Alam mo yon. But with the Hierophant right here, hindi ka na doon nagfo-focus. Like, your focus is sa growth, ganyan. Sa pag-enhance, sa pag-improve. There's unconditional love, pero it feels like you have already healed, or tapos na, or yung mga pain and sakit, napagdaanan mo na, and you are now better. I mean, tinatry mong maging best version of yourself. Kaya nag-grow ka. Nakikita ko yung energy mo that you're growing. You're growing. Pero there's a lot of regrets and pain pa rin. For some of you, very, very few of you, na nakakaranas pa rin dito ng sakit at saka pain. Kasi, nagmahal ka eh. And you still love this person. Gusto mo pa rin siyang mapasayo. But the problem is, ay nga, very few of you. Dun sa iba, concentrated sa growth, sa happiness and all. Sa pagpapalago or pagbibigay ng parang best version ng sarili niya. Okay? And we have here the golden mirror and the coffee cup. At the bottom of the deck, there's Ace of Cups and Death card right here. So you might be dealing with a Scorpio, Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces energy. So nakukuha ko dito is with a golden mirror. There's a lot of love, pero maaaring, I don't know, iba yung energy. Like, may nagmamahal pero it doesn't feel like ibinibigay. So maaaring yung pagmamahal is like nakatago, okay? Or kinikip lang sa sarili niya. This is someone na parang keeping all the love dito sa sarili niya. Like, ayokong sabihin or ayokong ibigay because I don't feel like ibabalik sa akin. Okay? So, medyo hindi naman disappointed. The other person is disappointed. Kasi alam niya yung pagmamahal nandun. Alam niya yung all the love is there. Pero hindi rin sinasabi. So, nangyayari ngayon dito with the death card right here and the coffee cup. Like, okay, as long that we're friends, as long that we have this connection, for some of you, as long that we're having this conversation, I'm happy. Kung hindi mo ibigay yung love na yan, okay ako kung nasan ako ngayon. Like that. Yun yung energy. Like, I'm so savoring this moment. Okay? Pero there's a lot of heat, there's a lot of love there. Pero maaaring, with the death card right here, tinatapos niya yung expectations. Ganon. And I don't know, kasi this is sa side ng person mo. Like, hindi niya may bigay yung love. Maaaring kasi there's need para, nahirapan akong sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari. Dahil sa sarili niya, hindi niya rin alam kung ano yung, alam niya yung dapat gawin. The problem is, with the death card right here, might be kailangan may tapusin. Dito sa side mo, may kailangan matapos. I would like to clarify that. Ano yung kailangan tapusin dito? Hindi ko ito kukunin. Ano yung kailangan tapusin? Okay, we'll take this. Okay, we have here the Empress. This signifies home. Something from the home area ang may kailangan tapusin. Might be, if you're married, there's a relationship that needs to end. Or, The offer is there with the Four of Cups. There's this offer, there's this love, there's this... Kaya lang, this is someone na nakatingin sa reality. Like, might be hindi niya ma-end or hindi niya matapos yung situation because this is reality. And nakikita kayo through 5D, dreams, hope. There's a lot of hopes. Pero, there's this, might be pregnancy right here. You might be pregnant or there's children involved in the situation and you're a mother. Yeah. Sa area ng home ito, yung kailangan tapusin dito. And we have here 10 of Cups, Page of Pentacles. Very full, very full. Yun yung energy nito. This is someone who is loving, full of love. Okay? Yung emotion ng person mo, mahal na mahal ka niya. The problem is, hindi niya magawang ipakita or sabihin sa'yo because may kailangan i-end dito sa side mo. And you're not facing it. You're not facing it. Kung ano man yun, you're not facing it. Hindi ko nakikitang ini-end mo. Hindi ko nakikitang fini-face mo. And you're really well focused on yourself. And we have here 8 of Pentacles and the Star. I feel like your person is, this person keeps on looking and looking at your photos, your picture, your whatsoever na ginagawa mo ngayon. This person is stalking you. Nakikita ka niya as a wish right here. We have here Aquarius energy. And something na nahihirapan siyang kunin or makuha or mahawakan man lang. Might be because there's distance between the two of you. There's this 9 of Wands and Queen of Wands. Okay. So, you're really well concentrated on yourself. Like, hindi mo muna hinahayaan na parang mapasok ka ng negativity or mga bagay na hindi magiging okay sa'yo. Like, you're really happy right now. Nag-i-stay ka sa situation, but then you're happy. I mean, for some of you, you're not. Pero there's this feeling na parang you're okay. You're trying to be happy and focusing on self-worth. Ganyan yung energy mo. Some of you might be trying to lose weight, doing yoga or something. Yeah. And with the 9 of Wands, talagang binablock mo yung yung sabihin na nating negativity or maaaring itong person na ito. You're trying to block this person. Kasi pain at sakit lang ang ibibigay sa'yo, especially kung hindi naman siya ganun ka-open. So, you're trying to block this person. So, we have here King of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. For some of you, you're still waiting, pero there's stability sa side mo. Concentrated ka sa money, sa flow ng money mo, okay, very stable. You're very well happy. Hindi ko nakikita yung sa side mo yung nalulungkot ka. You're really concentrated on yourself. Dito sa side ng person mo, sobrang lungkot, sobrang panghihinayang, and there's a lot of, like, ang daming problems dito na sinosolve niya, might be sa sarili niya, sa mga bagay na nawala sa kanya. Let's know more about your person. Okay. We have here Page of Swords and 9 of Cups. Okay. Nasa dream stage itong person mo eh. We have here the High Priestess. This is a spiritual knowledge na unti-unting nagde-develop or pwedeng nag-develop na at all. So, kung there's soulmate connection, alam ng person mo na yon. Or, unti-unti pa, dalawa eh. Yung isa, unti-unti pa lang niya nalalaman. Yung other person is like, fully alam niya na that you are his or her soulmate. Kaya lang nandito siya sa dream stage. Like, may mga action siyang nagagawa na hindi niya masyadong pinag-iisipan or hindi siya masyadong concentrated dito sa, I mean, concentrated siya sa connection, pero it feels like walang-wala kasi siya ngayon. Kailangan niya mag-improve as a person before siya makasugod dito. And okay, we have here King of Cups and Four of Pentacles. For some of you, you're still keeping this love, keeping this emotion. Tinatago mo, hindi mo sinasabi. You're trying to move on your own. Parang sa sarili mo, you want to be full. For some of you, pwedeng nagtatry kang mag-save ng money. And, yeah. You're really moving. There's a lot of love, pero hindi na para masaktan ka. You're moving. You're moving. You know, this person with at the bottom of the deck, we have here Knight of Swords. Gusto ko niyang makuha eh. Gusto ko niyang makuha nitong person na ito. But there's a decision to make. And we have here Five of Wands and Five of Cups. Kung ano man yung mga nawala sa kanya, parang nalulungkot siya na hindi kanya pinaglaban, na nagkakaroon siya ng regrets na hindi niya ginawa yung mga dapat niyang ginawa noon. And yeah, there's a lot of pain. Like, alam niya yung mga nawala sa kanya ngayon and sobrang sakit nun. Pero this Five of Wands right here is time will come. Ah, okay. So I get it now. Time will come, this person, I'm saying this as a future reading. I mean, not reading. I mean, future energy itong nakukuha ko dito. This person is going to fight for you with the Five of Wands. But we have here Five of Cups. Energy mo ito na may nawawala dito, may umaalis, unti-unting lumiliit yung mundo mo. Hindi naman sa pinaghahanap ka ng pulis. I mean, lumilit yung mundo mo in a way na parang may mga bagay na talagang aalis or mawawala dito sa energy nito. Might be has something to do with the Empress. Yun nga, sa home. May unti-unting aalis, may mawawala, may matatapos with the Tower. Pero you're looking so beautiful. This time around, you're ready. Kung matatapos man ito, kung aalis man ito, whatever it is na aalis or lalayo dito, you're ready. And why am I saying that you're happy? Like, kung aalis siya or lalayo siya, you're happy. Maybe because concentrated ka na nga sa sarili mo dito. And you're looking so beautiful. And you're happy. And your person is going to fight for you. Gusto niya ng pagbabago eh. Gusto niya ng change. And time will come. Pero I don't feel like sasabihin niya agad din. If there's pagkikita or union, maaaring itago pa rin sa isa't isa kung ano man yung nararamdaman. So that's it for now. Virgo, thank you for watching. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Virgo Philippines, and sa other channel natin, which is the Unicorn Princess Tarot. I love you all guys, and bye-bye.